Alright folks, how you doing out there? This is RV road trip number 66, kind of premature. Last time we did RV road trip number 65, we blew up a transmission at 699 miles on a brand new F250 6.7 diesel turbo. Blew up and replaced the whole transmission. So we're a little bit hesitant to go anyplace real far away, so we're going to do the same trip over with this RV trip 66 to the same lake, different location, and see if we can make the 22 miles one way and 22 miles back without blowing something up. Trip, you're going to see a new purchase of ours. We bought two brand new little Trike E Trikes. Is it called Velotric? Velotrics. We're playing with that. We did manage to fit it into the back of the toy hauler, which was the purpose of getting a toy hauler, just to have something that we could put back there. RV road trip number 66 to Collins Lake on a very hot day. It's almost 86 degrees out. We're with the Lost RVers, and we'll talk to you in a bit. Crossing the Yuba River. Ice cream.
You scream.
Espresso.
We all scream for ice cream.
Gift shop. We'll buy a fishing license here. In California, it's going to be about 80 bucks if you want two poles. Oh, here we are.
Is this it? Oh, it is.
Is it?
It is. We just have to go sideways.
Oh my God.
Oh, look, it's not too bad.
Well, not the most ideal, but hey, we got those little bikes, so I guess we'll take a trip down there. Well, we're here at 302. It's not the most ideal place. The lake is right down there, very high. We do have our bikes, so we're going to pull them out, see how that is. The Lost RVers on RV road trip number 66 with the 27 MAV toy hauler, and of course this beast right over here, the 250 long bed 6.7 diesel crew cab 4x4. Yes sirree, Bob. So here is the Voletric Triker is called. This is my wife's, same color, black and white to match the rig. Pretty easy to get in and out, they fit real well. All right, so we came down to this little place down by the dock. They're cleaning fish out there. Again, they just stocked it today. So I have my tackle box and my pole hooked up, and I'm just gonna throw it right over there and give it a shot. Kind of shallow here, but just wanted to test it out. Those are the rental canoes, kayaks. That's the swimming area out there. You can go out there and dive off the end of the pier. This is where you can rent boats, play boat right there, slide on it, $400 a day. And this is where you launch your boats right over here. Look at them all come in, packed today, and this is only Friday. Wait till tomorrow. Again, you're with the Lost RVers on RV road trip number 66. Just for your information, right? Boat and motor, 2 hours, 60, half day, 90, full day, 130. That's not bad. Pontoon, 8 persons, full day, $395, weekdays, $290. And patio party boat, 1 story, 2 story, $500, $600. That's not bad. Go ahead, baby. I'll follow you. No, wait, Patty. I think we go that way. Stop. Yeah. That goes up to the road. That was almost a tragic ending. But anyway, so we bought a 27 MAV toy hauler to pull with our F-150. And we decided that the F-150 just won't cut it. Too light. The 27 MAV can go up to 11,000 pounds. And the F-150, even though it's only 7,000 pounds empty, F-150 trying to pull 8,000, because after you put the water in, just mattress and all that stuff, you're at 8,500. It was the tongue weight. Tongue weight is 1,200 pounds on that MAV, and it's just too much. It's just too much for the F-150. And we decided that we're going to go with a 3/4 ton. The big debate was whether we're going to go gas with a 3.7 or a 7.3 Godzilla gas engine or a 6.7 diesel. Even with all the problems with diesels having, you have the DEF, you have the cross-contamination, you got higher expenses for maintenance as far as the filters you got to change every 10,000 miles. And it's a lot different. But we decided to go with the biggest one you could get because you just want to be safe. So that diesel, if it doesn't break down, you saw the video, we blew the transmission at 700 miles. 700 miles, we had to get a new transmission. Yeah, consider it being a fluke. So this is our second trip, came back to the same place. All right, so we biked down to the store for an ice cream and a hot cappuccino. Double. Just to say we did it. So we came down to the shop down here. But hey, you know, we're able to leave the trailer, keep our truck there, didn't have to disconnect. Go to the store, have a cup of coffee, bowl of ice cream, sit there for a while, enjoy the sun, watch all the people come and go. Harley, man, I'm a Harley. Big Harley people, man, look at that. Going 9 miles an hour. Give it some braking power. It doesn't feel very stable, so you really got to get used to it. While I'm holding this phone, I only got front brakes, which is always dangerous going downhill. 11 miles an hour. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, there's a right down there. That's us. Did we pass it? Yeah, we passed our cutoff. I know we missed our exit, so that's really half a mile further. All right, I'm gonna shut this down. Before we get into the dirt and the gravel. Then we go down there and see it. Back in there. Tent campers. Everybody wants to camp in another kid. I mean, we just reserved this a couple days ago, so we didn't have too much of a choice. I think I already said we had three choices to choose from. This was the only pull-through. And this is a 35-footer trailer. Well, 32, but then you have to add this on, which is another, 6 feet. So 32, 38, probably 40 feet. But this is the toy hauler that we bought right here. All right, well, everyone's settling in for the night here. Collins Lake, day 1. RV road trip number 66 for the Lost RVers. Morning, a little bit before 7, in the water. Collins Lake. Testing out my Voletric 3-wheeler. Get down at the lake, we're way up there. Can't see us, we're up there. So just loaded it up and came on down. RV road trip number 66. Back to Collins Lake. We gotta make a successful trip out of this one. Got the truck blowing up again. A lot of people out there fishing. Caught a bunch yesterday. Of course, they were on the boat. Nice one. All right, that's a 17 Pro Max zoom. FYI. Going uphill. Pretty good acceleration even uphill, huh? 10 miles an hour. Okay, here's California, right? A guide to eating fish from Collins Lake, Ewing County. Eat the good fish, eating fish that are low in chemicals. avoid the bad fish, eating fish with higher levels of chemicals like mercury, PCBs. Choose the right fish. Chemicals may be more harmful to unborn babies. All right, so take a little coffee break. She had ice cream, I had coffee. And we're just gonna come down here and check it out. I still have full batteries. You really have to be careful on these bikes. Yeah. So, use your rear brakes. They aren't the safest things in the world. They do feel like they're gonna tip over, huh? Yeah, we never camped on this side. These are cool spots. Yeah, you can just kind of cruise around, man, with these things. Every time I'm on a slant, I feel like I'm gonna tip over. I want to just see, see the campsites. Yeah, we're doing the definite drive-through on these Voletrics. Yeah, it is pretty cool to just be able to cruise around, This one has hookups.
Oh, good.
These are all smaller trailers. Oh, here's the beach. You got it? Babe, no, don't push the button. Babe, what are you doing? Push the button. You should have followed me. Push the button. Yeah, I know, but this is great, huh? You're with the Lost RVers on RV road trip number 66, testing out these little Voletric Trikers, electric three-wheelers in the campground on Mother's Day. Actually, tomorrow's Mother's Day, but it's filled in today. Brave little kid. There she goes. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Oh, Lordy. She just scared me.
Oh, I like your bike.
Thank you. Oh,
Did you have to pedal?
No, you don't have to. It's electric. We've been on it.
So if the battery goes down, you can pedal so you can go back.
Well, we've been on it for like 3 hours now. We still have full batteries. We're all the way at the back of it.
That is nice.
Yeah, yeah. And you can take your poles, and just go
Like
along.
$400, $500.
A little more.
A little more?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye. Saturday in the park, huh? Hey. Just check. Oh, we were here yesterday. This is the beach. We're at those little kayaks. Look at all the kids. Looks like the Riviera, huh? Oh, look, there's something open over there, Patty.
Oh, it's the
Let's go over there.
kayak.
Or get something to eat. No. You want to go see how much it costs? Where you rent the kayaks right there. Look at it, it's packed. How fun is this, huh? You go over there. That's the swimming area. Look at them all. How cool. Yeah, okay, I just want to let you see. I mean, it goes all the way down and around. Look at all those pop-ups down there. Yeah. Continue on our way, our merry way. Oh, where am I? Hello, folks. Long-haired hip people need not fly. So I took my hair up into my hat and I went in to ask him why. He said, "You look like a fine young man." I think you'll do. So I took down my hat and said, "Imagine that. Me working for you." All right. You ready? Come on, motorcycle mama. Don't fly off into the lake. Whoa, 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 whoa. These aren't rather dangerous. You're open tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you have to be. Mother's Day, huge. Well, how else are we gonna go? Come on. Yes. Push the button.
Those things are so cool, man.
They are. Well, this is our first day with them, so we're experimenting.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Bring them in.
Well, I'm fishing.
Oh, absolutely. It gets you A to B real quick and easy.
Yeah. We're all the way down the other end of the lake. I know. She's a little bit more timid. We've been going at this for a couple of hours, up and down, back and forth, and we still have it's showing the full battery charge. It could use some shocks on it, maybe. A little bit more cushion on the tush. There we are, right up there. I'll let you go in first. I'll let you go in first because I'll probably go back out and fish. Not right this second. And thus concludes the tour of Collins Lake on the Velotric. Still have full battery charges to all that. Yeah. All right. RV road trip number 66. Look at mine. Already duct taped. Tripod on it. Fishing poles in the back. Then up and down, back and forth. Show you. There they be. So far, so good. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but hey, people love these things. We're gonna do this cooking show. Broccoli, shrimp, salmon, maybe a microwave lasagna. This is the Lost RVers, RV road trip number 66, Collins Lake again, for Mother's Day. Your favorite pastime is shelling shrimp, right? Okay, so you got the shrimp there, and we got some salmon here, and a piece of bacon there, and some butter there. Salt and pepper and garlic. That's about all we have on this trip. That's about all we got for seasonings here. Okay, we got some broccoli over here. We got some shrimp over here, the salmon. Let's get this stuff going. Nice piece of fish, huh? Ooh. Get your shrimp in here, olive oil, butter, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Salmon, let's start with a little bacon for flavor. All right, so everything's cooking. Shrimp's done. Just turn it off. Put a little ginger in the shrimp or the salmon. chunk of butter. All right. Just wash the fries down, skin down. Take a little tartar sauce out of mayonnaise, mustard, whatever herbs you may have. Use a little hot sauce in it. It's just something to get a little creaminess. Again, we're on a short menu here. We really didn't plan. Stir it around. A little squeezy lemon would be fine, but yeah, I don't think we have it. So. There she goes. I'm gonna have corn and potatoes in it. Just for some rice. And it's as simple as that, folks. Doesn't look like much, but it's delicious. Plate number 2. And just to show you, tonight we will be dining out on the veranda in our brand new 27 Nav toy hauler, for which we bought those toys right there. Even watching the Lost RVers RV road trip number 66, the first cooking show of this trip. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. We'll talk to you later. Bye now. Here's the whole purpose of this e-bike, e-trike. God bless you. I'll see you again. God bless you. So it's around 7:30. It'll be dark in a half hour. This is so when you aren't parked right next to the lake, we just pack it up and mosey on down for a few minutes. Try casting the lure. Fine. Hey, you guys catch anything?
We did not catch
Nothing.
Yourself.
Some guy, man. I'm up there and I saw him and he brought in a nice one right about here, I think.
Oh man.
I'm not sure what kind of bait.
I don't know what they're hungry for these days.
I don't either.
Yeah.
We were here a few weeks ago, and they were biting on little rubber minnows. The guy said he was casting them out and bringing in real slow, and he got 3 of them.
Classic.
Yeah, real cheapy one.
I don't know. We do have a few. We might try those.
I've tried power, green, red, yellow.
Did they stock recently?
Huh?
Did they stock it?
Yeah, they stocked it Friday.
Damn.
So, it's just hit and miss,
Honestly, we just fucking suck. I'm gonna be honest with you.
We suck.
We're not very good.
You put bait on a line. What else can you do?
We're not good at that. We're not good at that.
That works for some, not for all.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But then, when you aren't even thinking about it, you land one and you just get all excited
I
again.
just need that.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna try down here. Shit.
Have a nice one.
You too. Okay, there it is. 3-wheeler. I got my tripod, duct tape to the steering wheel. I got my fishing poles and my tackle box. Bungee cord to the back. And I just came down here to give it the last hurrah for the night with the Lost RVers. RV road trip number 66. Well, it's dusk. It's time to pack it up and head on back. So this is our second day with these trikes. Haven't caught a fish, but been getting around quite a bit. Let's go back up to the trailer and call it a night. Here with the Lost RVers again. RV road trip number 66. Collins Lake. Say this light just came on by itself. I don't know how to turn it off. I said this light came on by itself. I don't know how to turn it off. Maybe it has a sensor in it. And the 2200i generator Honda has been going all day. All day long. Running out of gas fairly soon. Here we are. Another day, another dollar spent. See you guys. All right, so it's officially Mother's Day. We did all the pageantry. I guess we're gonna have some kids come up here for a couple hours, enjoy the lake. In the meantime, I'm gonna go down and try my luck again, fish in it, the old fishing hole, which is the lake, it's Collins Lake. Okay, so it's Mother's Day, Sunday. One more day in paradise. There it is, the ultimate fishing mobile. Pretty cool, actually. All right, Collins Lake RV road trip number 66 with the Lost RVers. Returning to the scene of the crime where we came here a month ago about. Driving back, blew up transmission on our brand new F-250 6.7 diesel engine. Blew up the transmission. Well, no fish, so we're gonna go back up to the little country store and get a coffee because we can't. Oh, up the hill. Yeah. What do you mean no? Baby, come on up. We have to test them out. No problem. I think so. No, I don't know. No. Yes, yes, no, yes. And we're off again to the beach. We got a caravan going.
I'm going 60 miles an hour.
Just pull way over.
Can I go in front of that car the last time there?
Yeah, thanks. It is. Oh, look at this spot opened up, Chels. You want to get it? I'll block it. I'll block it. Oh yeah, this is better. Perfect. Less chance of it getting hit too. can't park there. Over here. Yeah, I figured if they don't kick us out, we'll just stay here and pull it up a little bit. Here we are at the Riviera. The California Riviera. Saturday in the park. All right, so now here we are going out. We have about an hour before it gets dark, so maybe an hour and a half. So here's RV road trip number 66, Collins Lake, Mother's Day weekend. All right, there it is. There's the dam. We're on the other side of the lake. Camped over there. Collins Lake. Thought we had fish. Turned out to be snagged maybe. He did have a fish, but the line broke. They're always on the other side of the lake too, right? Never on the side that you're on. Always on the other side of the lake. Testing out these new little e-bikes of ours, 3-reelers. Son came over on Sunday, brought the boat, went out fishing. Cheaper, approaching the shore. Hold on, tell them where to go. Over that way. Over that way. There she is, the USS Minnow. We're over there. And that's the dam way over there. We tried there, we tried there. Yeah, Collins Lake. With the Lost RVers. RV road trip number 66. 3-hour cruise, a 3-hour cruise. Of course, chicken salad and stuff to eat.
On a hot night like this is good.
Hot night, but a little steady. All right, we're pulling out. Ready to leave. Tow hauler lifted up and secured. So we just got on the hurry up mode and we found we could just shove both these bikes straight in without taking down one of the couches. Just for traveling. Otherwise we put them side by side back there. Yeah, so there it is. That 27 MAV toy hauler with the new toys. Yeah, pretty good little bikes. We had fun on them. The Lost RVers on RV road trip number 66. And we're out. All right, there she is. Okay, off we go. See if we can blow up this transmission again, huh? Coming up to the store for the last time on this trip. What trip is this? It's RV road trip number 66. A repeat from RV road trip number 65, where we blew up our transmission at 699 miles on a brand new F-250 6.7 diesel crew cab 4x4 long bed truck, and had to get a brand new transmission at 699 miles. That story will go down in infamy. Okay, and we're getting 8.6 miles to the gallon on this trip, and we've gone 43.5 miles. Let's see what the def is. Let's see how much def we used.
98% is what we had.
Okay, we had 98% when we left. Def level, 94. So we used 4% on 40 miles. Yeah, I don't know. You get a lot of power, but man, you got a lot of stuff to worry about. But it is a quick truck. You just don't even feel it going up these hills. Powers up like there's nothing behind us.
Oh, we got 2 bars, babe.
Whoa, 2 bars. That's been an internet blackout for us. That's why we went down to the store. I'm leaving Collins Lake. Let's see what diesel is today.
729.
729.
Oh, it came down.
Yeah. It was 789. And it was 829, wasn't it?
It was 769.
The first time we came out here? Who would have thought? It came down to 729. It used to be like 50 cents to $1 cheaper than gas. Going back across the Yuba River. The River of Gold. Right here is where it just gave out. A successful climb. Thus concludes RV road trip number 66 to Collins Lake, a repeat from RV road trip number 65. We'll see you next time on RV road trip number 67, hopefully to our original destination, which is Pescadero, California, to have some Cioppino at Duarte's 1882 Tavern in Pescadero, California. Anyway, thanks for watching The Lost RVers, and remember, subscribe, like, and share. See you later. I'll get you, my pretty, and you little doggy too.